I'm back.
Oh, he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. That's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. That's that me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fuck. Are on vacation. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling when they act this way. I know I got him. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and I perfumed it for you.
This is the start of my destiny. I will dismantle you, mine. You are the puppet, I hold the strings. Welcome to my legacy. I hope you see that this was all part of the plan. You might not ever see what I see. I'm dancing with devils again. Don't you ever push the boundaries, that is my law. I'm a hurricane knocking down doors. The damage done won't go away. I'll live to fight.
We have the bell and we're getting things going with Thea Hale.
The reinvigorated Thea Hale's proven to be...
Wait a second. Nice show of respect here.
Yeah, I like to see it. It's a nice thought and all, but it never earns you a win.
Hopefully that same level of respect is still there after the match.
Slam down hard. Dog. And that failed to hit the mark.
Oh, knock your head right off with that knee. Bam! She flipped that attack around.
Flung down.
Massive miscalculation on that one. Counter! Saw it coming.
Oh my gosh, what impact!
A quick finish. Can she do it?
Yeah, it's still too early in this match for anything else.
Watch out! All the way down to the floor.
That was just such a reckless move, man.
That miss could have changed this whole match. And she's coming back to the ring now.
And Dupree is really fired up.
There's Maxxine with a counter. All the way out. Suplex. Oh, put the brakes on Dupree.
and hit the DDT. She's totally unprotected. DDT!
Turns it into a pin attempt. Oh, Thea just dug down deep, not even a 1 count.
She's still alive and kicking. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, she puts the brakes on that.
Ooh.
No doubt, Thea's having trouble here.
Maxine's offense is debilitating.
Caught that and reversed it. And Thea Hale puts a quick stop to the momentum that was mounting against her.
That could be the spark Thea was looking for.
Crashing down for a sink time.
Middle rope for. She can end it here. In a kick out.
She's still not staying down for the count.
She's got her now. DDT! She got put to the test there.
That type of physicality earning Thea Hale the advantage.
There's Maxxine with a counter.
Simple and effective tackle.
Thea Hale ready for something big, man.
Kimura, the Kimura! Kimura locks. She gets to the ropes, and that will free her on the hold.
She's reeling, slowly getting up.
Oh, man, by the hair. Hair whip. Thea has taken full command here.
And Dupree is looking for a solution.
Going for the win. Kick out.
Oh, this match is going to come down to who wants it more. That kick out, that was her saying she wants it more, man.
Maxxine keeps her at bay. Take him down.
Going right into the pin attempt.
Quick count out after 1.
She is truly defiant till the end, refusing to go quietly into the night. Boxing their way out of that move.
Oh, man, she finds a hard landing on the outside. All right, we got it the first time. Let's get back to business. Through the air, and connects.
Making a splash on the outside with a truly reckless attack.
And now she delivers her back into the ring.
Maxxine Dupree showing incredible strength into the Cyclone Suplex.
Is it enough? Is this the end? There's 2. No, she kicks out.
What a match. Dupree plotting here.
With that suplex.
Here we go. Cover. 2 count. Digging deep for a kick out.
She may not have too much left, but she at least had enough to kick out there.
She gets position in the corner.
This is a wrestling ring, not a dance floor.
No doubt. Thea's having trouble here.
Maxine's offense is debilitating.
Uh-oh. She could be setting up for a submission here. Ankle lock is in deep. This could result in a tap out. I don't know. Got the leg trap. Shifts the hips and her weight. That allows her to be able to deliver blows to the knee. And that'll break things up. Heavy impact.
Getting the knees up just in time.
Arm wringer in control.
Big shots.
Gets lifted into position.
Oh, just took that hard shot right to the
From the middle rope. Oh, gets caught up in a bad position.
This has to be over.
2 count. And she fights it off.
So close to ending this thing.
Oh, put the brakes on Dupree.
Pulled back into the hip toss.
Bam! There's that big roundhouse kick.
Grabbing hold of Thea Hale.
Sit out, powerbomb.
Into the pinning combination.
2.
I guess she wants to inflict some more pain.
Oh, taking the boots to them.
Torturing their opponent.
And Maxxine has picked up the pace.
Thea showing weakness here.
Oh, fought that off with the stiff elbow, man.
Defenses are sharp with this series of reversals.
Kimura lock in.
Hoverboard lock is in.
The hold is just getting tighter. She has to escape somehow, somewhere. As the arm trapped her, had the arm trapped.
War is being waged here, and no one is willing to surrender.
These superstars are willing this battle on with everything they've got. I can hardly hear myself think. They're bringing the house down tonight. This is unbelievable.
And a slap for the exclamation point.
No doubt, Thea's having trouble here.
Dupree is doing a great job remaining engaged with the opposition.
Oh, kick.
Absolutely blasted there.
Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
Earth-shaking impact right there.
And just look at how tight this grip is, and now it could only be a matter of time.
This is such a difficult hold to be in, and it will be an incredibly arduous task to get out of it.
Oh, can't take it anymore. It's driving out.
We're going to be hard-pressed to see a better match than that. Here's another look.
Told me that you'll catch me when I trust fall.